Hey guys, my name is Rowan and I want to welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to cook for you. I'm going to show you 5 of my favorite healthy breakfast ideas. In those 5 meals, we're gonna have pretty much everything from savory meals to sweet meals, everything for everyone, quick and super easy to make. Alright, enough talking and let's get started. The first quick and healthy breakfast idea, we're going to have oat porridge with yogurt and fruits. First step, we're gonna add 2 scoops of oat porridge. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of honey. Then we're gonna add a pinch of cinnamon, followed by 2 scoops of coconut milk or almond milk. Mix it all together. Leave it for 2 minutes. Now after 2 minutes, it's already gone, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of coconut yogurt to make it a little bit more creamy. We mix it all together. And now we can add the fruits on top. I've chosen some bananas and also some raspberries. For extra flavor, I also add some coconut flakes. And also some flaxseed. As you can see, quick and easy oat porridge with yogurt and fruits. It's done. The next quick and healthy breakfast idea is going to be smoked salmon with cream cheese, tomatoes and cucumber on toast. First step, I'm going to cut the tomatoes and the cucumber. Next step, I'm going to spread the cream cheese on a toast. And the final step, we're going to add the salmon on a toast, followed by tomato and the cucumber. For extra taste, you can add some salt and pepper. Berry yogurt smoothie is going to be our next quick and healthy breakfast idea. For this quick breakfast, we're going to add 1 cup of mixed frozen berries, 2 spoons of coconut yogurt, 2 scoops of oats, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, and 1 cup of water. And now we're gonna mix it all together in a blender. And voila! On the top, I'm gonna add some coconut flakes, just for a little bit of design and presentation, and the metal straw, and we're ready to go. The next idea we have here is chili avocado on toast with cherry tomatoes. Alright, the first step, we're gonna slice the avocado. And then we're gonna spread the avocado on the whole grain bread. Once we spread the avocado on the whole grain bread, we're going to cut the cherry tomatoes. We're gonna add the chili on the avocado. Also add the tomatoes. We're pretty much ready to eat now. For extra flavor, you're gonna add some basil olive oil. Spread it on top. And salt and pepper. We have the last meal, raspberry almond butter with chia seeds on toast. First step, I already toast the whole grain bread, and now I'm gonna spread the almond butter on a toast. Once we spread the almond butter, we're gonna add the raspberries on top. Final step, we're gonna get the chia seeds on top of the toast. And the final step, we're gonna top up with some honey on top. And voila! Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you got inspired from this quick and easy and also super healthy breakfast ideas. If you enjoy, make sure you share with all your friends. Comment below, let me know what would you like to see next on my YouTube channel. And as I always do, I'll try my best to bring it out for you guys. Until then, we'll see you on my next video. And hey, everyone, have a wonderful day. Woo!